One of the things that you said to me recently was it was in regards to what is it that you feel like God is going to use you for through this? So you want to speak to any of that, because I know you guys are a strong Christian family, and it's been very apparent.
When things like this happen, you ask why, and we don't know, and we may not know this side of heaven, but I told Brandon, and he feels very strongly the same way I do, that there is a reason. It doesn't just happen because, and I do know that God's going to use our testimony and our story in some way to help someone. Maybe it's to bring awareness to ALS. Maybe it's to bring awareness to the gap that there is for firemen and disability.